SpiceJet may be leasing 10 to 12 aircraft which are currently being deregistered by the jet lessors. It seems that the Director General of Civil Aviation is currently processing the deregistration of more jet aircraft, and that Jet has over 10 applications from lessors to deregister the aircraft leased out to Jet. Remember, DGCA had re-registered 7 jet aircraft just on Wednesday, and this also comes just a day after last evening there were reports that OMCs have actually shut down ATF supply to Jet with regards to non-payment of dues. But let's take it across to Parisha Tyagi, my colleague, and get in a better sense of what exactly is happening. Parisha?
Yes, the DGCA has been receiving applications from lessors to deregister their aircraft from Jet Airways, as Jet has been unable to pay their dues for a long time now and has been grounding aircraft one after another since January. So DGCA has so far received nearly 10 to 12 applications for deregistering of aircraft. And remember, just last night DGCA issued a notice saying that they have already allowed 8 aircraft to be deregistered from Jet Airways. And the interesting point here is that those aircraft which are going to be deregistered from Jet are likely to be taken by SpiceJet, as SpiceJet is facing a shortage of aircraft after it had to ground nearly 10 or 12 of its Boeing 737 MAX aircraft. So SpiceJet is looking into lease the aircraft which are going to be deregistered by Jet Airways. And IndiGo is also facing a shortage of flights, but its issue is altogether different. IndiGo has a shortage of pilots, so IndiGo is not in the fray to lease the aircraft which are going to be detached from Jet Airways. SpiceJet, we are hearing from sources, may take the additional 10 to 12 aircraft, and this will also help the country, the aviation sector in the country, with the airfares, as due to the shortage of aircraft in the country, the shortage of flights, the airfares have been spiking up a lot. And if SpiceJet manages to increase its capacity, it may be a relief for the consumers as well. So yes, that's the plan DGCA is working on for now.
Okay, yes indeed, and clearly the loss for one is a gain for another. That is SpiceJet looking to lease 10 to 12 aircraft, much needed at a time like this. That's the stock of SpiceJet, up a good 1%.